It is quite unfortunate that knowledge and understanding of the IGCSE subject may only earn you a B or even a C. Writing answers is a skill every student should master. As the cliche goes, practice makes perfect. It is essential to practice correctly, as solving past papers inaccurately may not earn you full marks. However, it's not easy to assess the quality of your answers because mark schemes are often vague and not written with students in mind. I have created a complete set of solved past papers for each topic with clearly written answers that cover all points from the mark scheme. But the best thing is that I'm also providing videos that explain how to solve questions in the best way to get all the marks. The package also includes fully solved exam papers, ideal for revision after completing the syllabus. I've also included the most frequently asked questions that are likely to appear in your exam. That's what makes me confident that the exam package will significantly impact students' marks for this year.